The Tesla Model Y doesn't come standard with a tow hitch, but adding one is popular for towing trailers, bike racks, or cargo carriers. You have two main options: Tesla's official OEM tow package and various aftermarket hitches. We'll explore the pros and cons of each, including cost, installation complexity, and warranty implications. This video covers options as of January 2026. Tesla offers an official tow package priced between $1,250 and $1,500, including installation. This package includes a Class 3 hitch receiver and wiring harness, providing seamless integration with the Model Y's systems. Installation must be done at a Tesla service center and involves software recalibration for towing mode. The process takes 2 to 4 hours to complete. This ensures optimal performance and prevents warranty issues, making it the recommended choice for Tesla Model Y owners needing towing capabilities. Aftermarket options provide Model Y-specific hitches from established brands like Curt, Draw-Tite, and Hidden Hitch. These are generally more affordable than OEM kits, typically ranging from $200 to $600. Some aftermarket hitches advertise drill-free installation for easier setup. However, in practice, these installations can be more complex, often requiring drilling into the frame, removing the rear bumper, and handling wiring connections. Emerging wireless hitch systems are beginning to integrate with Tesla's API, allowing remote monitoring through the vehicle's interface. While still a niche option, they represent the future of aftermarket towing accessories. Regardless of the brand or installation method chosen, always prioritize vehicle safety, proper fitment, and compliance with local towing regulations to ensure reliable and legal operation. DIY installation for a Tesla Model Y hitch can save you 50 to 70% compared to professional installation, but it comes with risks like improper fitment that may require rework in up to 25% of cases. You'll need specific tools, including a jack and jack stands for lifting the vehicle, a torque wrench for proper tightening, and potentially a drill for aftermarket hitches. For safety, always disconnect the 12-volt battery before starting to prevent any electrical issues during the installation. Professional installation ensures proper fitment and avoids voiding your Tesla's warranty, which covers the powertrain for 8 years or 100,000 miles. If you're not mechanically inclined, professional installation is highly recommended to ensure safety and warranty compliance. Wiring is essential for trailer lights and brakes. Proper electrical connections ensure safe towing and compliance with road regulations. OEM kits integrate seamlessly with Tesla's CAN bus for advanced features like auto stop. This provides reliable communication between the vehicle and trailer systems. Aftermarket wiring might require splicing into the vehicle's harness, which can potentially void the warranty. Professional installation is recommended to avoid this risk. Hybrid hitches with onboard batteries for trailer lights are gaining popularity. These reduce strain on the Model Y's main battery by providing dedicated power for trailer functions. Always double-check wiring connections to prevent electrical issues. Thorough testing ensures safe and reliable trailer operation. Tesla's warranty policy is strict. Any drilling or modification voids coverage unless using the OEM kit. Improper fitment can affect the vehicle's aerodynamics or battery cooling, leading to recalls or repairs. A significant percentage of DIY attempts result in rework due to fitment errors. Always verify hitch alignment and trailer weight distribution post-installation. The Tesla Model Y's towing capacity reaches up to 3,500 pounds on select models like long-range and performance variants. This allows towing trailers, bike racks, or cargo carriers within safe limits. However, towing significantly reduces the vehicle's electric range. Studies indicate a 10 to 25% reduction in driving range depending on the weight of the load and your speed. Plan charging stops accordingly for longer trips. The tongue weight, the downward force from the trailer, must stay within 1,500 to 3,500 pounds for Class 2 and 3 hitches. Exceeding these limits risks damaging the rear suspension system, which is critical for vehicle stability and safety. Experts recommend keeping total towing weight under 2,000 pounds for optimal battery efficiency and vehicle performance. Always consider the weight of what you're towing when planning your trips to ensure safe and efficient travel. The EV towing market is rapidly evolving, with new technologies transforming how we tow with electric vehicles. Expect to see increased integration with autonomy, potentially including hitch recognition via sensors that automatically detect and connect trailers. Lightweight carbon fiber hitches may become more common to minimize EV energy loss, improving efficiency during towing. Tesla might standardize hitches on higher trims in the future, making towing features more accessible for their vehicles. The global EV hitch market is projected to grow significantly, reaching billions in value as more drivers adopt electric vehicles. This evolution emphasizes the importance of safe and efficient EV towing solutions for the future of transportation.